guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day today. I am bringing you a rather new company. I know it's a new company to me. As you read by the title, this is a Rotita review. I hope I am saying that right. Anyway, Rotita did send me these two items free for review. I did find out about this company from Just Jessica. She has a video where she had gotten a couple of sweaters and reviewed them. And then I sent an email to the owner to Collab. So this is a collab review kind of video. Anyway, I will try to link the IG address, link, whatever in the description box. I will also put Just Jessica's video for the review on this company in my description box. Okay. So first of all, my items arrived in this little mailer bubble or bag. They did come very quickly, and the company did keep me up to date on what was going on with my package. So the first one I want to go over, I am going to have a little try-on piece where you can see me try it on and what it looks like going along with this video. So I hope we can get that in there. Either way, the first one is this one. This is the Christmas shirt. I will also have both shirts linked in my description box. This one is $31.15. It does have the shoulder cutouts and the 3 little neck cutouts, as you can see. I like these for the button. This part is stretchable. I know that I have a problem with buttons sometimes, so I appreciate the little elastic button closures, and they are on the sleeves as well. This one is $31.15. I got mine in a medium 6'8", and that is US sizing. This one ran a little tight on me. It's made out of that scratchy material. You're not going to sneak up on anybody in this shirt. It's a little bit thinner than I would have liked. Very, very thin. Dogs are in here screwing around. It is a very thin material. I would have liked it a little bit thicker, especially since wearing this kind of shirt is for the winter. I mean, you only have so many months out of a year to actually wear this. It's a Christmas print, but it's super cute, and I can't wait to take pictures in it. So I love it. It really is cute, minus the thinness. I love the sequins on it. It's just a beautiful, adorable shirt. So there is that one. And then the next one is the Halloween shirt. This is what it looks like. It also has the little cutout in the neck area and the shoulders. This one ran $27.92. I got mine in a medium US 8'10", simply because the small was a 4 to 6, and I thought that that would be way too little or way too snug. So this one is a smidge too big. This one is very weighted. It has some very good weight to it. Super cute. I have worn it out, and I've gotten complimented on it already over and over. It's perfect for October and Halloween season. Now, in normal times, you could wear this to the corn mazes, the hay rides, the Halloween parties. Like I said, I will link, Baby Belle's trying to get up here. I know y'all are all shocked. I will link both shirts in my description box. I will also link the email to Rotita. If you would like to collab with this company, shoot them an email. She does respond very quickly. But thank you, Rotita, for sending these. I will definitely be ordering again. They have some amazing sweater dresses that I'm really excited to try out. But they also carry shirts and blouses, sweaters, dresses, sweater dresses, bags, and jewelry. So do go over, check out my girl's video on this company also. She did rather well herself. Thank you, Jessica, for showing me about this company. Rotita, thank you again for sending me these for review. Please do go check them out. As always, please do give this video a like or a dislike. And let me know what you think down in the comments below. So until next time, guys, have a good one. Bye.